Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last videos we had a look at attribute directives. Before that we already looked at components. So the last form of directives which is still missing are structural directives. And structural directives are very powerful. Let's have a look at them. So I'm back here in my directives app and I will create a new file here which I will call structural directives.component.ts. So I'm creating a separate component for that so we can showcase them. And I'm just copying my attribute directives component code here, getting rid of that import here though, getting rid of that and getting rid of all the template thing here and renaming this to structural directives, as well as here this will be my structural directives. Okay, so that will be the structural directives. And in my app component, let me just add a line break and then like a heading which says structural directives. And below here I will embed this component by writing my structural directives. And obviously I need to add it here too. So structural directives. Okay, ready to go. Let's see if that worked. Yes, the S is displaying. So we're ready to go. Now what are structural directives? Structural directives are, well, directives we attach to an element which will not really transform the element they are attached to, but instead change the whole structure of our element in a certain way. So for example, the ng-for directive allows us to loop through an array and then create the element to which it is attached as often as we loop through this array, which allows us to create lists. The ng-if directive, on the other hand, will only display a certain part of the DOM if a specific condition is met. If this condition is not met, all elements the ng-if condition is applied to, or which are childs to an element which the ng-if directive is applied to, will not be rendered to the DOM. So they're not only invisible, they're not there. So very, very powerful, and let's have a look at those directives. I already mentioned two, ng-for and ng-if, and to be honest, there is only one more built-in structural directive, which is the ng-switch directive. We will have a look at all three directives in the next videos. So see you in the next video where we start with the ng-if directive. Bye.